Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find the Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find cryptocurrency wallet address for any cryptocurrency on the Binance platform. For example, there are the exchange wallet, and each of the cryptocurrencies are having its own individual wallet. For example, if you want to transfer cryptocurrency from Binance to the other exchange wallet, you will copy firstly the wallet address of that crypto you want to transfer to that. For example, if you want to transfer USDT from Binance to another Binance account, you will copy the receiver of the Binance that you want to send from your Binance account to that Binance account. So in here I will open my browser. So if you have a look on the coin market cap, there are 413 exchanges that are available. There are 12,144 cryptos that now available in the coin market cap or in the world. So before getting to the process, make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. So this video is for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only, and I'm not a financial advisor. Here if you are using Binance, so firstly log into your Binance regular account, and once you are here, click on the wallet option and click on the overview. Once you are here, you can see there are the deposit, withdraw, transfer. If you want to deposit from other exchange wallet, simply you will go to the deposit. If you want to send from Binance to another account, so simply you will click on the withdraw. And if you want to transfer crypto from for example from Spot wallet to P2P, you will click simply on the transfer. So right now here I will click on the deposit and find whether there should be the crypto deposit or the fiat deposit. If you want to deposit from your bank account to your Binance account, you will select fiat deposit. If you want to transfer crypto deposit, here is the cryptocurrency deposit option. You will click on that. Here you can see there is the coins, the BTC, ETH, USDT, BNB, EOS. So here you will type you will select the BTC or ETH. Here you will select the network. There are BNB, BSC, BTC, ETH, and SEG, VIT, BTC. Here, for example, I will select Binance Chain. So there is an individual wallet ID that you can see here is appeared. So if you select Ethereum, if you should select the network, here is the individual ID or wallet address for the network of the Ethereum cryptocurrency. Here you will copy this, and for example, if you want to transfer Ethereum from next exchange wallet to your Binance account, simply you will copy this address and will type to the sender exchange wallet. So you will receive, and here is the wallet address that you can find in the Binance platform. So right now I will click again on the wallet and overview. Here is the fiat and spot. Click on that. There are the coins that you can see here. I have, and here is the 26 pages that you can withdraw, or you can find the wallet address. And here, for example, if you want to deposit for the ADA, here you will click on the deposit option. Here you will select the network, For example, there is BSC. You will copy the network or the wallet address of the ADA. Each of the coins or cryptocurrency on the platform or on the exchanges, they are having its own individual wallet address. So this is the way you can find your wallet address of your cryptocurrency through the overview of fiat and spot on the Binance. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.